Celery root, aka celeriac. It's a bulbous root vegetable in the same family as celery, parsley, and parsnips. Often seen served as a puree, maybe alongside of steak. We're going to take the roasted route. This is a great roasted vegetable. We'll take the FN sharp Santoku knife and we'll simply just cut around the entire bulb to get it all cleaned up, and then we'll cut it into planks. You can also cut this into cubes if you want to do just a sheet pan of roasted, maybe mixed vegetables with your dish, and that would be absolutely great as well. But what we'll do is cut these into about 1/4 inch planks. As you can see here, what I'm doing is just cubing them up. But the planks are where it's at for this particular dish. Very, very simple. Once we get some planks cut out, I'd say about 1/4 of an inch thick, then we'll go ahead and drop these on a foil-lined sheet pan. We'll drizzle with some good quality olive oil, and then make sure to season, because they will take on that seasoning very nicely. Salt and pepper, a little bit of herbs, and then we're going to get this into an oven at 425 degrees for about 20 minutes. You just want to soften them up a bit. Then we'll take some fresh parsley, and I'm just pulling some of the stems off and then getting into a fine chop here. As you can see, I'm going to put this into a mortar and pestle, and it's just going to become a gremolata almost, which is typically just olive oil, garlic, and lemon zest. What I'm going to do is add a garden fresh onion, and I'm just going to give it a rough chop. After I peel off the outermost layer, I'm going to go ahead and slice this up, and then I'll give it a chop, and that'll go into the mortar. And then I'm going to add some Kalamata olives as well, and I'm going to add some herbs. And this herb particularly is from the Middle East. It's called za'atar, and it has dried thyme in there, is one of the main ingredients. It's fantastic. Then I have Kalamata olives on hand, but if you have green olives or anything like that, whatever your favorite, toss that in there. Again, we're going to go in with some good quality olive oil and just a touch of apple cider vinegar, and I'm just going to give this a good pulverization here. Give it a good stir, let that sit and all the flavors to marry. Once our celery root is done roasted, I'll get that plated up, and then I'll take our almost kind of a gremolata sauce here, and I'm literally just going to speckle and kind of splatter that around the dish, and that's it. It is super simple. It's super delicious. It's super quick to make as well. And if you want to add a little bit more of the oil or the sauce, go ahead if you think it needs it. As you can see here, I definitely did. But either way, very, very enjoyable. Make sure to check out this and more at fnsharp.com. Thanks for joining.